This is AS Pure Maths Notes. We're in Unit 3 and we're looking at then inequalities, and just to start with then it's going to be linear inequalities, so there's no square term here or anything like this. A couple of wee rules. Any quantity can be added or subtracted from both sides of an inequality, a bit like an equation. You would have learned that in year 8 really. Both sides can be multiplied or divided by any positive quantity. If both sides are multiplied or divided by a negative, the inequality sign must be reversed. If both sides are positive, they can be raised to the same power. So in this particular scenario, let's see, so I wouldn't do it this way, but you can kind of see where this rule holds. So I would add 12 to both sides, and I would get minus 3x is less than or equal to, and then, subtracting 12 from both sides is minus 9. Then at this stage, you're going to divide both sides by minus 3. So if you divide by a negative number, then that sign flips round. I tend to try and avoid that, so I would do it this way, and I would actually, where the letter you're trying to work out is negative, I would make it positive. So my first step instead would be to add 3x to both sides. That would give me 12, 3x plus 3. Take away 3 from both sides, and then divide by 3. And I can see then that means we have to be that way around, so it has to be a 3. And we have that. Alright. Example 2 then, again, a very straightforward one really. Let's see what our best way of doing this. We could turn this into 70, I suppose. Is there maybe a smaller number that it goes into? No. Or try and solve to try and get rid of our fractions to start with. Let's take a wee look, or I might just kind of make this into 10 and join these two together first of all. Let's do that. Times top and bottom of this is 1 by 5 would give me 25x over 10 times top and bottom of this 1 by 2. Take away 8x minus 2 all over 10 is less than or equal to a seventh. Joining those together, we need to be really careful here. 25x take away 8x is going to give me 17x. This is the bit where everyone will make the mistake. We're subtracting a minus 2, so that's the same as adding 2. We have a seventh then for that. Alright, we can kind of cross multiply, or we want to multiply through everything by 10. Might be a nicer move, and then everything by 7. So that would give me 7 upon 17x plus 2. Less than or equal to 1 times 10, which is 10. 7 17s are 119x plus 14 less than or equal to 10. 119x is less than or equal to minus 4. And not a very nice answer, however, minus 4 all over